Hey guys, welcome back to Meepers Jeepers. Today I wanted to introduce you guys to my wife's 23 JL in the Punkin orange. This is a Jeep that we are going to be doing quite a bit of installation videos on. So what we got so far is a rough country, mid-width, full steel bumper, a Smitty built 10,000 pound winch, and we also have the Rhino USA green Shackles. The fog lights, I painted, I don't know, she likes the green, so that's what we've been doing. The headlights is the ones I was talking about when I did the unboxing of the rock lights that we're fixing to install on the Jeep. The Weston hood lights, although they look good, the LED lights in them are not really that bright, so I added amber A-pillar lights, the aux beam, and guys, for the money, them aux beam lights, you can't beat them. Like, they are just a great set of lights for, I think, $89 is what I paid for them. The simulated bead locks I had stripped and powder coated green. The Go Rhino side steps, I mean, they're nice. I like my Westons that are on my Jeep a little better. And when we ordered the Jeep, we ordered it with the cat skin leather seats. So, I mean, that is pretty nice. I mean, the Jeep's a little filthy from where we went down to Wayne National Forest the other day and took her off-roading a bit. It's got the straight stock KO2 all-terrain BFGs on them that we're going to end up changing for a Toyo Open Countries, and the rear bumper is a Weston Outlaw bumper. And all this has been, I don't know, on for just a few months. I haven't had them on that long. The tail lights, Oracle flush mount tail lights, real happy with them. They look real good. Tighten up the rear end of the Jeep. We both really like them a lot. But so far, like, the installations that we're going to end up doing are the rock lights, and I am also going to put an AEV lift kit on this Jeep. So guys, I appreciate you watching the video, subscribe and like, and hopefully we got a lot more coming your way. Thanks guys.